This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. Today I've got one that came by way, again, of Exotic Nudes in one of their wonderful subscription boxes. You can go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER, one word, for a discount. Nissin Demae Ramen Tonkotsu. And it's tonkotsu. Yeah. And this is made in Hong Kong. I had a person in the group the other day get they were confused and kind of annoyed at me. They were like, oh, I didn't know, they saw something and they were like, I didn't know it came from China. And it was a product from Hong Kong. And I was like, it's not from China, it's from Hong Kong. And they got like, kind of like, dude, what? But they kept saying it was from China. I thought everybody knew that China and Hong Kong aren't the same thing. See, we've got a thing here in the States that we call the One China policy, which unfortunately isn't all that great because a lot of people in Hong Kong really don't consider themselves to be from like mainland China. I mean, come on, until like, what, 10 years ago? 15 years ago? I'm kind of behind the times on things. I always think things are shorter distance ago than they actually are, but I digress. 3 minutes on the boil. But, yeah, it was, Hong Kong was like British. It's also, then there's Taiwan. They don't, I mean, they make jokes about China, you know, things like that. But people there don't really go like, oh yeah, we're all about mainland China. And this, I mean, they've got their own like heads of state and stuff in those places, so. But long story short, yeah. A lot of protests in Hong Kong having to do with people's rights, having to do with mainland China wanting to assert rules upon them. They don't like that. A lot of crap these days about sedition. Sedition is basically when you talk poorly about the government or heads of state. That's like blasphemous. And yeah. Anyway, let's do our quote of the day. That sounds like a nicer thing. Let's forget about all our troubles with the world. Things like sedition. These are quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles back in 1958. Kind of like if you like Star Trek, it's like a Ferengi rules of acquisition for noodle company shares. Number 218. Holy moly. I want everyone to go about their work convinced that they have nothing to be ashamed of in their hearts. Wow. What if they can't do that because they're so ashamed of what they're doing? I don't know. I'm guessing that's like, I want people to do their job and be happy about it because they're not screwing around and doing things they shouldn't be. I don't know. Or he just wants his employees to be happy. Definitely, each one of the quotes in that book is like, they're all like conversation starters. One conversation I want to have is with nature. I think I need a device that I can put in the sky like a drone. A drone to do it! A drone with a macro. That's all I need. So over there, see over here? About that window? Well, chances are, any second now, see the lighting over there is perfect. I can get a beautiful thumbnail shot right now. Well, chances are, within seconds, look, now it's getting sunnier, and now it's too bright. Oh, and now it's perfect. So it's like I'm at I'm totally at the mercy of the sun and the amount of clouds. So like the last one I did like 20 minutes ago, it's like all washed out, full of shadow. There's nothing I could do about it. I used to do them right here on the counter, and I could do that again, but they don't look as good as with that nice wooden backdrop from that little shelf thing. There it goes again. But if I could wait on days like this for the sun to abate, but the longer you wait, the more broth the noodles suck up, and then that messes with the shot too, and then you get a bunch of people going, you didn't use enough water, or you used too much water. That's like, I get a lot of that. For those who are into the Korean one, the Samyang Buldak Bokomyeon, people get on my case about how much water they see, or liquid, or how saucy the sauce is. That's how they tell you to cook it, man. There's not supposed to be any sauce. It's all supposed to be thick. It's like, really, it's not. According to the directions, you're adding in. Anyways, I'm not even gonna bother. This is some Hong Kong. Tonkotsu. Definitely has a nice pork taste to it. I wish it were a little thicker, a little milkier, but it's good. Shush! Yeah, that's a good one. My God, today the children have been like insane. Teachers were like, blah, 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 blah. With good reason too, you know. It's like, what are you guys doing? What do you think this is? Huh? What do you think this is? Some kind of funny show? Do you? I think they're like confused. I think they can't tell if I'm like bona fide, like angry or something. You think this is some kind of funny show, you kids? Oh, do you think it's potato time? Yeah. I don't have any eggs. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's been a kind of an egg drought. But that will change. I'm gonna ask my lovely wife. Well, I don't know if she'll have time to egg it up tonight. She has an appointment. You know what she gets to do tonight? Yeah, she gets to get a COVID shot. I want to get a COVID shot so bad. I want to get the jab super bad. Snow. And then we got a Naruto Maki. I need to get more Kamaboko too. There. That's lovely. Loveliness. That's where it goes. Let's put this right up. Ponied up on there. And we're gonna go with something tried and true. That should fit very well with this one. Wow. Did not want to open. Some Baoganma. Spicy chili crisp. Right there. I feel at the place where I get my Asian groceries at 99 Ranch, like they got a huge batch of Laoganma chili crisp, and it's like off. There's something that seems wrong with it, and it really bums me out. I don't know. It's like all the bits of peppers are, what would you call it? Have a lot of thick skin on it. It's strange. A little bit of togarashi. Shichimi togarashi. And yeah. I don't know what else to do to this. And I wish I could guarantee that you're gonna be able to see it really well while it's rotating, and that's gonna be really hard for me. I can do that and hope. Beyond hope. Beyond hope. That's it for me for today. Give it a minute or so and hope this hateful hot yellow moon chills out. I really don't know if it will or not. But yeah. So yeah, oh, by the way, you should go check out shop.theramenraider.com for all your instant noodle needs. Shop.theramenraider.com. It's a fun place to go and do things and stuff. And yeah. All right. Have a good one. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. Bye-bye.
Tear your face off, rock.
Halloween Havoc.
From the angel's trumpets to your ears.
Smooth jazz.
This ain't your papa's rock and roll.
Gospel classics.
Crank it till your ears bleed.
Join us for classical days and jazzy nights.